This tutorial review will show you how to fix Instagram video not playing issue on iPhone and Android. Method 1. Restart Instagram. If videos are not playing in Instagram, first try to troubleshoot the problem by restarting the app on your smartphone or iPhone. So cross the Instagram app and relaunch it, and then check the problem if fixed or not. Method 2. Restart your device. If restarting Instagram doesn't help and it continues to crash, restart your device, be it Android, iPhone, computer, laptop or tablet, and then reopen your Insta application and check the problem if fixed or not. Method 3. Update Instagram. When Instagram videos won't play on iPhone and Android, update the app. Android users can update from Google Play Store, while for iOS device you can visit Apple Store. Then search here Instagram, and if you see any update available, then update it and then check the problem if fixed or not. Fourth solution, check your internet connection. Check your internet speed, modem or router. Make sure your internet is continuous and high speed. For instance, Instagram live videos at 720p resolution 30 frames per second require at least the speed of 4 Mbps. Switch off your router and turn it on after a few minutes. If Instagram videos don't load, try switching to mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. The next solution is clear cache files. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Insta application and reinstall it, and hope it will fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.